Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, I do everything from workout videos, hair care videos, skincare to makeup videos. Today I'm going to be turning my childhood room into a college dorm room. So let's get into it. But I got a lot of towels. Welcome to the family. Just gathered everything that I got for my dorm that I was going to. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got, and then we can get into changing this room into a dorm room. My colors are purple, gray, white. Okay, to start out this impromptu haul, I got a lot of storage bins, and I got this at, not Wegmans, Home Depot. I also got this lamp at Home Depot, I believe. Nice and white, you can hold stuff in here. Next, I got an ironing board. I think I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. Great to have it when I do go to school, because I'm going to be on campus. I'm going. I don't know when, but I'm going. Inside one of these really bigger bins, here's the top. I don't feel like lifting the entire thing out. Again, from Home Depot. I also got this at Home Depot. This is a Swiffer dry and wet Swiffer thing. These things are amazing. I got a mattress topper. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I also got 2 pillows. Okay, next up, this is more of a decorative item. These are some mirrors. I got this from Five Below. You're probably going to think that this is so extra, but I love my smoothies. So I asked my great aunt to get me a NutriBullet instead of giving me money. So here it is. Next, from Bed Bath & Beyond, I got a kettle. Here's another one of the bins. This one is like a flat top. It's a hexagon shape. And here's the top. It's, again, purple and beautiful color. I got this shower wrap from Target because I watch a lot of videos and saying what you absolutely need for college. This was in a lot of their videos, so I had to get it. Another thing from Target, I got some really cheap plates. And then I got 2 of these bowls. And then to go with my ironing board, I got an iron. I don't feel like taking all of the towels out of this bin because there's no need, but I got a lot of towels from Bed Bath & Beyond, so here they are. And also one of my friend's grandparents actually gifted me some towels too, so thank you. Here's another storage bin. This is like a drawer thingy, and then inside this are storing this other organizer. It's a 6 storage bins, and then I got a hamper. Here is one of the extension cords I got from Home Depot. And then here's another one, and then I got this really cool one. It looks like this, a shelf as well as a charging station. And then I got masks, because you need to wear your mask, period. Here, one of my rugs. This is a UGG rug. It is the most comfortable thing in the world. And then this one was supposed to go in my bathroom, but not anymore. Here is this rug. It has little pink. This is the only pink in this entire thing. I didn't get everything for my dorm, which I'm kind of grateful for now, because if I would have spent all that money and then not went, I would be even more mad. I think now I'm going to start setting up this and decide what I'm gonna put it. So I finally got this thing together, and they are so hard to put together. I don't understand why. It comes like this. It's not the most durable thing, but I think it can work. Making some progress. Here is my food situation or whatever. This isn't how it's gonna look. I'm becoming a real college student on campus and using my underbed storage. I have my Swiffer, the iron board, some other boxes, and then I put some of my school stuff in here. Okay, update with my room. So I have these rugs on the floor, right? And so they were slipping because of the hardwood floor. I just got these sticky matte rug things that you're supposed to put underneath your rug to make them not slip. They are from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then also I did get this chair. My mom just got it for me. It is so cute and it's comfortable to sit in, but also cute, and that is what I wanted. I'm sorry, I have no idea where this is from because my mom just got it and she did not tell me. Okay, so I'm currently leaving to go to Walmart because I'm going to be printing out all of these pictures that I edited, and I created a preset. I edited all of my pictures to have this purple preset on them, and it looks so pretty. I did not come up with this preset. I will put his YouTube on the screen. I will also leave the actual video in the description below. We're here. We got the pictures, and then I also got these re-stickable dots, which are great for college dorms because you can't nail anything to the walls, so these things will help the pictures stick. I'm back, and I bought a little friend. She is a money plant, or money tree. Welcome to the family. So I'm on the floor right now, and I'm looking through all these pictures, and I'm planning them out and trying to make a collage. I don't think I've ever shown you what I was actually trying to create. This is the picture that I'm recreating. Right now, it looks amazing. It looks fire. Like, it looks so good on my floor. So I've been working on the wall for like an hour or so. Look at how cute that looks. I want to fill this entire wall up, but you know, you're gonna need more pictures for that, and I don't have time for that right now. Okay, it's nighttime. I turned off most of my lights, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the dark because it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, okay, get ready. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna show you how I edited the pictures. First, I followed every step in this video on the screen, and it will be also linked in the description box below. And I clicked on one of those pictures that I already edited, click in the top corner, and then press copy all of the settings, and then go to a picture that has not been edited. Click the 3 dots again, and then paste the settings from the previous picture. It's really that easy. This saves a lot of time. Okay, so it's been a while. We went to IKEA and we got some things. It's a little mini frother. So I have this for my coffee station. I'm not showing you the coffee station yet. You gotta wait till the end of the video for that. I have a cute little plant from IKEA. Then I got this purple pillow. Since we have the darker purple going, we got some new lighter purple coming in, and to match the bed with the light purple over here. And then for my bathroom, we got this little thing. It's amazing. I needed this. I had like all this stuff crammed underneath my cabinet. Hello. It has been a while since I last updated you guys on my room transformation, but I have another cute little thing that I'm adding to my room that was completely unnecessary. Purple hangers. I always wanted like the velvet hangers, and then I realized that I could get them in purple, which is even better. I just added more pictures. Hello, welcome to my dorm room.